Just wanted to drop in with this short to show you all what has been going on. Yes, I got a kayak. Pelican 100, Motion 100. I believe that's the name of it. Yep, Motion 100X. So I haven't done any work to it yet. I have some accessories, but I will make a full video on this. How I'm going to customize it. Of course, I'm going to change the seat. But this kayak was $100 at Walmart this week. $200, $199. I couldn't pass it up. So check back a couple weeks. I'll be making some videos. I also have to point out that I probably need to learn how to swim.